Hello, and welcome to the overview of our new dynamic fire lighting system. This is a collection of blueprints built to bring atmosphere and handcrafted detail to fantasy and medieval environments. Each asset is a drag-and-drop solution, combining environment props, lighting, and fire effects into a single, art-directable setup. No complex wiring, no guesswork, just drop it in and start shaping the mood. Similar to our other videos, we're going to walk through the contents of the pack, and then I'll show you how you can use these assets to completely change the look of your environments. There will also be timestamps in the video if you'd like to jump to a specific section. Now, let's take a look at what's included in the collection. This is our overview map, where you can find the main contents of the pack. To start, we have your classic metal torch, available in both a wall-mounted and handheld version. These are perfect for castles and other indoor spaces. Next, we have our tall metal brazier. This one pairs nicely with the torches to light up larger spaces. We've also included a version without fire debris, so it can be used purely as an environment asset. Moving over here, we have another classic, the bonfire. This one comes with some awesome cooking tools already with it, but you can easily hide them directly in the blueprint if you only need the bonfire. Moving on to assets that work well in outdoor and more natural settings, we have our medium brazier. This one also includes an environment-only version for set dressing. On this side, we have our wooden handheld and pole torches, perfect for lighting up dark forests and caves. And lastly, we have our hero tripod torch, which works great as a complement to the other wooden torches. All of our props are optimized for nanite workflows, and our fire and smoke systems use flipbook textures with motion vectors to deliver the best possible quality and realism. In addition to the high geometric detail, the static meshes also feature a masked material effect that darkens the base color and reveals animated embers when the fire is active. Our fire effects also include bloom, sparks, and heat distortion, all of which can be tweaked directly from the blueprint. Speaking of which, let's dive into the parameters we have at our disposal. As soon as you drop one of our blueprints into your level, you'll be presented with a variety of options to art direct your asset. Right off the bat, we have a toggle for the fire. This not only hides the fire effects, but also disables the lights and material effects on the static meshes. Next, we have flame opacity, followed by flame size, flame speed, and heat distortion intensity. If you want to completely change the look of the fire, you can tweak flame desaturation and tint. You can also adjust bloom intensity and color, as well as the color of the sparks. After that, we have our smoke parameters, where you can dial in opacity, contrast, and brightness. We can also adjust the color and intensity of the ember material effect. And lastly, we have our light parameters. Here you can change the main light color and tweak its intensity, attenuation radius, and indirect light intensity. Our blueprints also include a secondary light source to support visibility for the prop, which can be toggled here as well. As you can see, the color for both lights is controlled by the same parameters, and both lights use a flicker function to simulate realistic firelight in the environment. As a bonus, we're also including a wall, floor, and ground modular environment assets that can be used alongside these blueprints. As mentioned before, this is designed as a system, with expansion in mind. If you'd like to create your own lighting asset, simply duplicate one of the blueprints and replace the meshes with your own. Material instances are used throughout, so you can easily swap in your own flipbook textures to create variations. And that's it. We really hope you enjoy playing around with this pack. We've had a lot of fun lighting our environments and iterating on the fly with it. As the name implies, this is Volume 1, so there's more to come. Thanks so much for the support. If you want to check out more of our work, you'll find links to our other products down in the description. And if there's something you'd like to see from us, feel free to let us know. If we're not already working on it, we'll absolutely consider adding it to our roadmap. We're passionate about creating fun, high-quality tools that help us and fellow artists build better worlds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.